When you have remote participants joining your in-room meeting, how do you make sure that everybody can hear each other? In these kinds of hybrid meetings, audio is the biggest challenge. So in this video, we'll make sure that your hybrid meetings sound amazing both online and in the room.
For your next act, Mr. Markus Seppala.
My name is Markus Seppala, and on this channel I help you engage better with your audience. By the end of this video, you will have 3 different solutions for making sure that your hybrid meetings sound amazing. The first one is free and decent. It uses the built-in microphone in your laptop. The second solution is cheap, sounds amazing, but requires a specific setup, and that's using a microphone on stage. The third solution is expensive, sounds great, and is super flexible, and that's using a conference microphone. As always, there's links to everything I'm talking about in the description below. I have a list of the products that I'm using, including links so you can check out the availability, specifications, and pricing. And there is one more link in there because this video is brought to you by my online course, Master Your Hybrid Meetings. And if you're one of the first 50 people to sign up with that link, you will get the course completely for free. So have a look at the links below this video. Let's begin with the easy part of the hybrid meeting setup, and that is the audio from the online portion into the room. For this purpose, you can use pretty much any speaker. I have traditionally used my Bluetooth speaker connected to the laptop that is running Zoom, and that will broadcast the audio into the room. You could also use the built-in speakers in a TV if you have one in the room or in your projector. It doesn't really matter so much which speaker it is, therefore this is the easy part of the hybrid meeting audio setup. Now let's move over to the hard part of the hybrid meeting audio setup, and that is to make sure that the people online can hear the people in the room. The first option here is to use the built-in microphone in your laptop. Now typically these microphones are not great, but it might actually work. I tested mine in our meeting room and this is what it sounds like. This is an audio sample of the built-in microphone in my Lenovo ThinkPad X250 at approximately 1 meter's distance. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. This is an audio sample of the built-in microphone in my Lenovo ThinkPad X250 at approximately 2 meters distance. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. This is an audio sample of the built-in microphone in my Lenovo ThinkPad X250 at approximately 5 meters distance. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. In this setup, I'm assuming that you want to pick up the sounds of everybody in the room regardless of where they're sitting, whether they are sitting close to the microphone or not. Now, this may not be a great fit for every occasion, and that's why we have the second option, using a dedicated microphone on stage. In this setup, if you want to speak so that the people online can hear you, you actually have to walk up to the stage and speak into this microphone. The way I set this up is that I use this BOYA by-M1 lavalier mic. It's the same one I'm using for this YouTube video. And I just clipped it onto this mic stand, and it creates this little stage/speaking area where people have to go up if they want to participate. And this microphone sounds like, well, it sounds like this. This is exactly the same microphone I'm making this video with. It retails for about $20, and for a $20 microphone, I think this is an excellent sounding device. Have a look at the links below this video if you want to find out more about it. When I've used this microphone in the hybrid meetings, the feedback regarding audio quality has also been excellent. So this is a very good choice if you're happy with having a stage area where people have to go and speak. I personally like the idea of having a stage area where you go to speak. The samples that you're seeing here are from my Toastmasters club, and because that's a public speaking club, of course people want to be on stage a little bit. But there are 2 caveats regarding using this microphone for your hybrid meetings. The first one relates to the kind of connections that you have on your laptop. Mine has this headset jack, so it doesn't have separate audio input and output. So when I connect something to this jack, the speakers in the laptop are going to be switched off because it expects the audio to go out via the headset connector. The solution to this is to use a Bluetooth speaker instead. If you want more information about the technical reasons for this, have a look at the card here above me. I have a more in-depth video explaining the difference between different connectors that you can use or not use for your hybrid meetings. The second caveat is that you may not want this kind of setup where there is a speaking area. Maybe you do want a setup where people can remain at their seats when they participate in the meeting. And for that, we're going to move over to our third solution. But before that, hit the like button if this has been valuable to you already. The third option is to use a conference microphone. Here's the one that I use. This is the Calisto 7200 from Poly. And with this microphone, you're going to be able to pick up everybody in the whole room. Plus, it also works as a speaker, and you can connect it via Bluetooth or via a USB cable. This is what the Calisto 7200 sounds like. This is an audio sample of the Poly Calisto 7200 at approximately 1 meter's distance. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Microphone check 1 2. This is an audio sample of the Poly Calisto 7200 at approximately 2 meters distance. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Microphone check 1 2. This is an audio sample of the Poly Calisto 7200 at approximately 5 meters distance. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Microphone check 1 2. The Calisto 7200 retails for around $190 to $200. If you're willing to make that kind of investment, you're going to have yourself an excellent audio solution for all your hybrid meetings. I have a link to it in the description below if you want to find out more about the specifications, availability, and pricing. What is your biggest audio-related challenge when it comes to hybrid meetings? Let me know in the comments below this video. And while you're down there, remember to subscribe as well. I post a new video every Thursday, and they're all about helping you engage better with your audience. Just hit that big red subscribe button. If you do want to learn more about hybrid meetings, I do have a very special offer for you. I'm going to launch this course, Master Your Hybrid Meetings, and if you are one of the first 50 people to sign up with the link below, you can get it completely for free. So just go to markuspresents.com/hybrid and put your name on my email list. In that course, we're going to cover all the different aspects of hybrid meetings, including the technical setup, but also the leadership and communication skills that you will need to make your hybrid meetings a success. And speaking of those leadership skills, I actually have a whole video here on my YouTube channel about how to lead hybrid meetings. To check that out, click or tap the screen right here for that video. It's going to walk you through some of the best practices in a really condensed format so that you can be a better leader in your hybrid meetings. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.